Hey guys, Rahul this side from RG Marketing Services. Today we are back with another video of our digital marketing FAQ series. Today's question is, can I do my own marketing or should I hire an expert? Many business owners and marketers of companies have this question staying in their head rent free. You should understand why you need an expert and when an expert can be helpful within your situation or need. So let me tell you a story. So suppose if you are starting out, you are new to advertising or data analysis or market research or all this stuff. Suppose you have a great product, great packaging, everything is nice, the demand is there, but still you have done some organic activities like you have created a website, you're posting on social media on a regular basis, still you are not seeing a very good growth. So you decide, you have heard about the advertisement part and how easy Google Ads can be with the smart campaigns, or just in social media, if I have to talk about boosting your post once in a while, all those activities are pretty much seamless and easy. Again, a fully automated structure works there, but somehow you decide to test out a few things here and there. So you decided to start maybe a Google search campaign or a YouTube campaign, or if I have to say, you plan to run ads on Facebook or Instagram for lead generation, suppose, right? So you tested out here and there, and after a month or two, suppose you're spending around 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 per month in the ad account, but still not sure why the results are not coming in, why there's no consistency in the performance, or why you're not able to grow your business. So from your knowledge, you have set up all the things perfectly, and still in spite of giving a decent budget to it, things are not working out. We are not getting the performance that we expected, and you got so many clicks but barely any conversion or sales. So this happens because there are a lot of things in terms of setup, in terms of planning strategy, and all these things are required before jumping or even starting a campaign, making a campaign live. You try to learn things up, but instead of learning, you end up wasting ad budget, a lot of your budget, which could have been utilized wisely and for the right purpose or the goals. But since you didn't have much experience about, you're not tried, tested on different aspects, so you end up wasting money in the trial and error phase of yours. One more important thing I would like to state is, in spite of spending 50,000 rupees in the advertisement, still if you have got that understanding or if you have learned something out of it, it's still meaningful. But many of you would relate to the fact that even after spending 50,000 in the advertisement, you're still not sure why something has worked or why something has not worked, so that you can take a note of it and you can improve it over time. So here the marketing expert can be of great help. So if you don't want to delay things up, if you want to act sooner, if you want to you're not just buying consultation or ad management services, you're buying the experience of the person, right? So if you want to line up things really well from the day one, so I think it's suggested to have an expert alongside with you to guide the process altogether, to set that process according to your goals, right? so your budgets are not getting wasted, especially when you are a small business. When you have a very tight budget, definitely you should take the help of an expert. Otherwise you might end up wasting a lot of your money in the advertisement. So this is the main difference. If you want to learn yourself, there's again a process that you should understand the basics, or you should understand how the strategy works, and all the setups that are required on the back end first, and then go live with the campaign. Or you can just keep wasting money of your business, and then there is also no guarantee that you will learn something or not on your own. So it is always best to hire a consultant or a marketing expert, and have it take the help of the expert to reach your goals in time. So this is the main difference I wanted to talk about. When you would want to try things yourself, and when would you not want to try things yourself. So if you have a decent budget to spend and no time restrictions, you can definitely try things on your own and experiment things on your own, and come up with solutions. Take notes why something has worked, why something has not worked. So all these things will matter. If you are not sure how to begin with things, or where to start, or whether I should do paid advertising immediately in the start, or we should wait a while for our website to get completed, or whether a lead can be generated without a website or not. A lot of things are there to plan. Whether your goal is to get sales or leads, what is your ad funnel. I have talked about all the major FAQs and strategies and stuff required to be planned before you start running advertisement. So make sure that you have worked upon some a few things before starting advertising, because your advertising could go all in vain. Your budget could be wasted. So I would suggest take the help of an expert, plan things nicely, and then move forward along. So I hope this helps in understanding when you need a marketing expert or consultant with you, and when you can do your DIY marketing or advertising experiments. So take the decisions wisely, and plan things ahead of time, and then move work towards the execution part of it, and then comes the measurement and optimization, right? I help a lot of businesses who have come to me stating that first of all, most of the business owners, especially if I talk about the small business, they have a clear target of leads that specifically come with the intention of lead generation and sales. Most of the people don't understand sales and leads does not come very handy direct on the plate. You have to work a lot on your process, your marketing, before the leads can start falling in. Even after, suppose you have planned everything right, you are generating leads, it's not essential that you will succeed in your sales goal, because again there's a huge gap and process which lies between getting a lead and converting it to the sales part, right? So if you don't have proper systems, follow-up systems, sales representatives, proper resources, follow-ups, callbacks, tools to track all those things, your customer journey or data, it's difficult to reach out to a person in the right place in the right time. Like ads might have done the work, but what happens after a lead has been generated? Can you just understand when to call that person, or how to what kind of interest that person has, why the lead was generated at the first place, what did he like, what did he not like, what kind of expectation he might have. Do you have an understanding of all this, whether the lead is cold or hot? Do you have any process to nurture the leads who are cold in nature, and then you can slowly and gradually nurture them and turn the lead from cold to hot, and then your sales representative talks to that person and the sales happens. So all these things matter. It's just not about running ads and generating leads. Ultimately everyone wants sales to happen. So do you have that process of sales? Do you have the process of converting a lead into sales? So this will matter a lot to grow the business, because if you're paying for advertisement, if you're paying for lead generation, and if you're not able to convert the leads properly, if you don't have a proper system, what happens after a leads land up in your system or in your Google sheet or in your CRM, right? So what happens after that? What kind of conversion rates are you having? Are you trying to improve those conversion rate, understanding the bottlenecks of the process? All these things can be only guided with a professional or expertise. So I would suggest be open with your problems, talk it out with experts and consultants. We can always connect for 15 minutes call, and we can discuss your requirements or your problems, and then try to understand how that problem can be solved. Is it through a consistent consultation or guidance? We can help you out, or is it with the management services that we provide? We can help you with that. So we have to understand what framework or what service will suit you at the moment, considering your current presence and strategies. So it's very important to understand all these factors before running advertisement or paying online for different tools. There are a lot of things. AI have kicked in, so there are so many tools at this moment available to confuse you or to help you, but you have to be sure as to what exactly your needs are and which tools or process or frameworks can help you exactly reach your goals. So this would be my advice, and if you are willing to talk to me, I am available at www.rgmarketingservices.com. Go there, book a free consultation or a paid one. Talk to me for your problems and your goals. We can definitely plan your strategies first, and then we can think of implementing or executing those strategies, measuring the results, then again optimizing for the gaps that we are seeing in the data. So it's a testing game, but then testing also has to be backed by some kind of frameworks or logics behind it, right? So that you can measure things properly. So yeah, this would be my advice of whether you should try marketing or advertising or running campaigns yourself, or if you need an marketing expert's help. So hope you got some value from this video. If you like the content, if you got some value, please hit a like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for upcoming such videos. We'll be trying to help with the right kind of knowledge and guidance to you, so that each and every penny will be utilized properly in the marketing and targeting purpose for your business, so that you reach your goals in time. If you have any doubts, please post them in the comments below, or you can also again book a consultation with me from my website. That's all for today. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.